NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question number 6. Points A 4, 3, B 6, 4, C 5, -6 and D -3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram. We have to check whether this statement is true or false. We are given the vertices of the parallelogram A 4, 3, B 6, 4, C 5, -6 and D -3, 5. If the given points A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram, then we know that in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other, and in the given parallelogram ABCD, AC is the first diagonal and BD is the second diagonal. When these diagonals bisect each other, their midpoints must be same. Midpoint of diagonal AC must be equal to midpoint of diagonal BD. If we can verify this, then the given vertices can form a parallelogram. Let us find the midpoint of diagonal AC. And let us consider vertex A as point x1, y1 and vertex C as point x2, y2. And what is the formula for the midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now let us substitute these points in the midpoint formula. x1 is 4 plus x2 is 5 by 2, comma, y1 is 3 plus y2 is -6 by 2. 4 plus 5 is 9 by 2. 3 minus 6 is -3 by 2. We have found that the midpoint of the diagonal AC is 9 by 2, comma, -3 by 2. Now let us find the midpoint of diagonal BD. And let us consider the vertex B as point x1, y1 and vertex D as point x2, y2. And what is the formula for the midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Let us substitute the values. x1 is 6 plus x2 is -3 divided by 2, and y1 is 4 plus y2 is 5 divided by 2. 6 minus 3 is 3 by 2. 4 plus 5 is 9 by 2. Therefore, the midpoint of the diagonal BD is equal to 3 by 2, 9 by 2. From what we have found, midpoint of AC is not equal to midpoint of BD, which means diagonals AC and BD do not bisect each other. Therefore, if the diagonals do not bisect each other, then the given vertices cannot form a parallelogram. Therefore, the given statement that the points are the vertices of a parallelogram is false.